Traveling the world is a dream, but getting it isn't always so dreamy. Whether it's the noise from the airplane's engine, the snoring passenger next to you, or the lovely baby screaming behind you, quality headphones are key to making your journey more peaceful. There are many products available to choose from best travel headphones, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best travel headphone from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bose QuakeComfort 35.2. You get to decide how much outside noise you hear when you choose the Bose QuakeComfort 35.2 headphones. Because they have several different levels of noise cancelling, they're considered some of the best noise cancelling headphones for travel. But they have so many other features that make them more than worth the investment. With voice assistant capabilities, you can check in with Alexa and co. to stay up to date on everything from your schedule to the news. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery can give you up to 20 hours of wireless power, and when they're wired you'll get up to 40 hours. The dual microphone system is noise rejecting, so whether you're hustling through New York or you're in a noisy airport, you'll still be able to have clear phone calls and chats with Alexa. There's no doubt that the Bose QuakeComfort 35.2 is the best headphones for travel. Number 2. Sony WH-1000XM3. Convenience is the name of the game when it comes to the Sony WH-1000XM3. With a simple touch of one of the headphones, you'll be able to control the volume, skip a song, activate your phone's voice assistant, and make her answer calls. They even have a smart listening technology where they'll adjust the ambient sounds you hear based on the activity around you. These headphones also have industry-leading noise-canceling capabilities and a battery that gives you up to 30 hours of listening time. If you need some of the best wireless headphones for travel, be sure to check out the Sony WH-1000XM3. Number 3. Sennheiser PXE550. Sennheiser produced the first active noise reduction headsets in 1984, to be given a technical standard order certification by the Federal Aviation Administration. So many decades later, you can be sure you're getting some of the best headphones for airplane travel. Designed with the business traveler in mind, they've created a premium product to give you a first-class experience. They look good and sound great, and the lightweight and collapsible design makes them super easy to store in your carry-on bag when you're not wearing them. You'll get everything you've come to expect in a high-end pair of headphones: exceptional battery life, Bluetooth technology, noise-canceling ability, touch controls, etc. So the Sennheiser PXE550 wireless are an easy choice if you're looking for the best headphones for air travel. Number 4. Philips Fidelio NC1. Whether you're relaxing in your camping hammock in the middle of the wilderness or sitting next to a crying baby on an airplane, you'll be thankful you chose the Philips Fidelio NC1 headphones. They perfectly combine optimal sound quality with noise-canceling ability, debunking the myth that the two are mutually exclusive. What makes them special is the enhanced sound precision made possible by the standalone acoustic chamber and 40mm drivers. The simple and slim design make them some of the best headphones for flying, because they can be easily stored in your luggage or in the airplane seat pocket in front of you. Philips has created a quality product that you'll be sure to love no matter where you travel. Number 5. Beats STUDIO3 Wireless. The Beats STUDIO3 wireless headphones have a fast fuel charging capability that makes them some of the best headphones for travel on airplanes. Beats knowing there are few things worse than getting on a flight and realizing you can't listen to music or watch your favorite travel movies. So if you can charge your headphones for just 10 minutes before boarding, you can get 3 more hours out of the battery while you're in the air. Not only can you control music and calls on your phone, but you can also control your other iCloud-registered devices like your MacBook. To stay tuned into your music regardless of what's going on around you, these are some of the best headphones for travel. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.